Hi guys, today I'm gonna teach you about how to make an animated carousel in Figma. So let's just get started. First of all, go here or just press R and create a rectangle. Let's just say I will create 245 into 245. Zoom in, press Ctrl and scroll up and create another rectangle. Duplicate it by pressing Alt and reduce its width by 100. Again, press Alt and duplicate it. Yeah. Now we have created one single frame and now round their corners to 20. Now go to the resources section and go into the plugins and search Unsplash. Now I will search for interior. For this rectangle I will choose this one. For this rectangle, let's just say this one will be fine. And for this one, let's just say this. Okay, so I would like to change this picture because it's not looking cool. Just scroll down. Maybe this one. Okay, this one looks fine. Now close this section. Now we are back to this frame again. Let's just select all and frame selection. Now it will create a frame consisting of these three rectangles. So now create a rectangle. Width 90, height 50, and round its corner by 20. Now align it with this frame. Okay. Now duplicate this rectangle and shift it to the right side. Now reduce its width by 45 and again duplicate this rectangle. Now change its color to something like this. Okay. Okay, great. Select color picker by pressing I and select this color. Yeah, great. So for this one, I will choose this one. Press all the rectangle and select auto layout, or you just select auto layout by pressing shift A. And now select this one to this. Yeah, perfect. Now select both of the frame and frame section. Now duplicate it to this and again press Ctrl D. Now we have created three frames of each. Now for this, select this one. Now for this, I will select this one and throw it here. Yeah, perfect. Now reduce its width by 100. And this by increase by 245. Align it by pressing distribute horizontal spacing. Okay, done. Now for this one, reduce its width by 100, increase its width by 245, drag here and again distribute horizontal spacing. Okay, so now we have created each frame. Now let's just get to the component section. Press all the frames, create component set. Now go to the prototype section. Okay, so for this one, I will select this and change to smart animate, change it to gentle. Yeah, cool. So now for this section, go to this, select this one, smart animate gentle. Now for this one, you can just press Ctrl to select each shape. Now for this one, select this. The properties will remain the same. It will get selected by default only. Now for this, select this frame. Now for this, select this one. For this, oh, sorry, for this, press Ctrl. For this, select this one. Okay, now I've created all the prototypes. Yeah. Okay. So now again, create another frame. Maybe like this. We go to the design section and now go to the asset section. Here you will find this component. Throw it in the frame 3. Okay. So yeah, we have just created this component. Now we can preview it. Yeah, looks good. So guys, if you like this video and want more videos like this, so do subscribe, like and share. Thank you.